Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pickleball with a closer look at the Diadem Icon V2 Pickleball Paddle. Now, pickleball enthusiasts, listen up because this paddle is packed with features that promise to take your game to the next level. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Alright, let's break down what makes the Diadem Icon V2 stand out from the competition. First up, we've got the 3XL core, a unique construction that combines two 8mm PP honeycomb pieces with a proprietary dampening film. What does that mean for you? Well, it means power and control in one comfortable package. But wait, there's more. The RP2 technology utilized in this paddle brings a whole new level of performance to the court. With a special polyurethane coating and grit paint, you're getting a durable, spin-friendly surface that's built to last. Now, let's talk stability. The Flex Stabilization System, borrowed from Diadem's tennis racket technology, is a game-changer. By injecting high-density foam around the outer edge of the paddle, they've not only increased stability but also expanded the active sweet spot. Say goodbye to off-center shots. And can we take a moment to appreciate the design of this paddle? Sleek, yet protective, with a replaceable edge guard. The Icon V2 not only performs on the court but also looks good doing it. Plus, it's available in a range of sizes to suit every player's preference. Now, before we wrap up, let's touch on what real users are saying about the Diadem Icon V2. While some have praised its power, spin, and control, others have raised concerns about the quality of the craftsmanship. It's important to weigh both sides before making your decision. And there you have it, folks. The Diadem Icon V2 Pickleball Paddle, a contender for your next go-to paddle on the court. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this paddle has something to offer. But remember, the best way to know if it's the right fit for you is to give it a try yourself. That's all for today's review. Until next time, keep critiquing those products, and we'll see you in the next video.